we have to find out which of the following reactions is redox reaction, and we have to mention which one is oxidized, which one is reduced, and those reactions are not redox reactions. Are they precipitation reactions or neutralization reaction? We have to mention them. The first one, P410HClO, this is the redox reaction. Here, oxidation number of P is 0, and in phosphoric acid it is positive 5. So oxidation number of phosphorus atom increases from 0 to 5. So phosphorus is oxidized. And here oxidation number of chlorine is my positive 1, negative 2 for oxygen plus 1 hydrogen, then it will be plus 1. And here